how Estonian sounds to a non-Estonia speaker. Ever wondered how your language sounds to someone who doesn't speak it? Well, let's listen. Trumpik snorkel plapsik tõnkor fleepas klampor vimpel trupnik flotsik plonker tramsor klippar snoober grimsik flumkar pootnik tormul krilpas klamter plomprik snootik florpak trembor platnik plonker vimser ploktor prampik flotser klortik plimpar. Trompik snorper klapsor flumkor krimpak klonter snorkel flapsik trombor vimpnik klonser plomprik flontor trempik snoober klimpak tromsik krimpor flutnik plompor trimpel klopser fliikor plomsik tremser klampik snorker plomkor plomster krimpak snorit. Yes, I know it sounds nothing like the actual language. My channel is called Language Gibberish after all. I'm sure those who completely missed the point will flood the comments with "this is nonsense and your pronunciation is all wrong." All because they didn't get the joke. Follow me if you want to hear Spongebob obliterate more languages in hilarious gibberish.